Are you feeling stiff or sluggish? Well, if the answer is yes, today we're diving into a 5-minute stretch routine that focuses on activating your glutes, opening your hips, and improving overall mobility. This flow is perfect for starting your day strong, especially if you've been feeling stiff or sluggish. No equipment is needed, just your mat and a little bit of space. This routine will fire up your glutes, unlock tightness in your hips, and flow through stretches that engage your entire body. We'll finish with the world's greatest stretch, a move that truly lives up to its name. Most people might skip a moment like this to prioritize their well-being, but not you. You're here and you've already won the day by showing up. I promise by the end of this routine, you'll feel energized, mobile, and ready to take on anything. Let's hit the mat. Let's kick things off with glute bridges, a foundational movement that strengthens your glutes, activates your hips, and sets the tone for the rest of the flow. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Hip width apart. Place your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Press to your heels as you lift your hips toward the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top. Slowly lower back down and repeat for 1 minute, focusing on controlled movement. Glute activation is essential for proper posture, better mobility, and a stronger lower body. I promise you'll feel stronger and more connected by the time we move on. Beginners, lift your hips halfway and focus on engaging your glutes. Advanced stretches, add a single leg variation or hold at the top for a few extra seconds. With your glutes fired up, let's move into a deep hip stretch with pigeon pose. Pigeon pose is a powerful hip opener. It's like giving your hips the stretch they've been craving. From all fours, bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back, keeping your hips squared to the mat. Lower your chest over your right leg, resting on your forearms or forehead. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply into the stretch. This stretch releases deep tension in the hips, improves flexibility, and relieves lower back tightness. By the end, I promise you'll feel looser and more open. Beginners, place a pillow or block under your right hip for support. Advanced stretches, fold deeper, reaching your arms forward to enhance the stretch. Let's transition things out by switching to the left side. Time to balance things out with pigeon pose on the left side. This stretch ensures both hips feel equally open and mobile. From all fours, bring your left knee forward and place it behind your left wrist. Extend your right leg straight back, keeping your hips squared. Lower your chest over your left leg, resting on your forearms or forehead. Hold for 1 minute, focusing on steady, calming breaths. Balancing both sides of your body prevents imbalances and promotes healthy hip mobility. By the end, I promise you feel symmetrical, relaxed, and more flexible. Use the same adjustments as the right size and customize the stretch based on your body's needs. Now that your hips are open, let's flow into the world's greatest stretch, starting with the right side. They call it the world's greatest stretch for a reason. This move targets everything from your hips to your spine to your shoulders. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your left leg extended back. Place your left hand on the ground and rotate your torso, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold the twist for a moment, then return your hand to the ground. Straighten your front leg briefly for a hamstring stretch, then return to the lunge. Repeat the flow for 1 minute, focusing on fluid controlled movements. This stretch improves mobility, flexibility, and spinal rotation, leaving you feeling strong, balanced, and refreshed. Beginners, skip the hamstring stretch and focus on the twist. Advanced stretches deepen the twist by looking up towards your extended hand. Let's finish strong by switching to the left side of the world's greatest stretch. Let's complete the routine with this powerful stretch on the left side. You'll feel energized and ready to move by the end. Step your left foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your right leg extended back. Place your right hand on the ground and twist your torso, reaching your left arm toward the sky. Hold the twist briefly, then return your hand to the ground. Straighten your front leg for a hamstring stretch, then return to the lunge. Repeat this flow for 1 minute, syncing your movements with your breath. Completing this stretch ensures both sides of your body feel balanced and aligned. By the end, I promise you'll feel mobile, energized, and ready to take on the day. Use the same adjustments as the right side. Adapt the movement to your flexibility level. How are you feeling now? Fam, if you sit at a desk all day, always low on energy and feel stiff, go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. It's gonna change the game for you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.